Hello everyone, if you're facing this error on your Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80073CF9, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that annoying error on Microsoft Store. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here PowerShell, you're going to make sure you run PowerShell as an administrator, and then you're going to put this command in. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video and press enter. And after you put in this command, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here wsreset.exe, and that will reset your Microsoft Store. And after it resets it, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run again. You're going to go into app data. You're going to go into local. You're going to find Microsoft here. You're going to go into Windows apps here. And here you're going to make sure you have everything deleted. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you open up your Microsoft Store, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.